Welcome, folks. Dow Industrials right now down 19, Nasdaq's off 20, S&Ps are down 6. We have a gold up $16.80, silver's up 40 cents. And as you come over to our website at TFNN, folks, you are going to see right on top of the carousel, it's going to be a
What do we got
thing.
going on, man?
We got,
What's going on? I see some action here.
We happen to trade...
You're doing a free event. What's up with that?
I know. Listen, all these great listeners we have out here, we get a lot of calls in all the time, and whether it's the Nugget or the Dust.
And those are the triple bull and the triple bear direction ETFs.
Right.
Go for it.
Exactly. And so what we're going to do, folks, is this. I'm going to do a live event. It's free, period. No ifs, ands, or buts about it.
And we say live online, but
yes.
Live, that's it.
Right.
Keep going. Yep.
January 26th, 6 to 7 o'clock.
So that's next Thursday, 9 days.
Yep. And what it's going to be about is this. And you have to sign up, even if you do get the gold report.
Yeah,
okay?
Everyone's welcome, but just make sure you go over there, and
Right.
it's just your name and your email address, nothing else. But that way we'll send you the link. You can access the room, and you'll gain access to the archive of the workshop as well. We'll send that out for people, for sure.
And what we're going to talk about, we go over this a lot when people are calling in, come to our website, look under ETFs, read the white papers, okay? Sure. Bottom line is that I'm going to go over the composition and mechanics of the leverage ETF market, how it works, how the daily rebalancing works, how the compounding works, what happens when markets rise steadily, what happens when they decline steadily, what happens when markets are flat but volatile.
Yeah. Which means they're not flat at the moment, right? As in up, down.
That's right.
Yeah, but they end up at the same level.
Which
over
is
a
the
period
most
of time.
dangerous one.
That's what we talk about, those daily investment vehicles, and that's why,
Exactly.
Right.
Then we're going to look at, specifically inside the Dust and the Nugget, what's moving it? Where's the dollar? And what are the weighting structures inside these vehicles?
Yeah.
So if you'd like to get a good webinar, good hour with a lot of facts inside that, check it out on the front page of TFNN. It's free. So
awesome, man.
We do appreciate you all growling and prowling with us out here. We know how many calls we get in with these vehicles. And check it out.
A week from Thursday.
A week from Thursday.
I'll be watching.
And, the bottom line is that there's...
we got a little action today to promote that, maybe?
We get action,
Why not? Let's take a look at Dust and Nugget right now. Let's go Nugget first, since we're up $17.
That's right. So if we go to Nugget, and this is what you're going to see, Nugget right now is up 62 cents. You've done 29 million shares.
Yeah, and that's 62 cents when it opened at like 9.70.
It did.
Go ahead.
It did.
Yeah.
And the number you want to keep your eye on now is going to be $10.50. Now, what we've done is this. We've hit 1072. The B point on this is 96 million, and we've done 30 million already. So it'll be close.
It could be a big day. I mean, big move in the dollar, big move in gold. That'll put some volume into these.
It'll put some volume into them. If we go over to the GDX, which is what it trades off of, what you're going to see is that the GDX, the B point on the GDX would be $23.35. We've made $23.57. That's 135 million. We've done 23 thus far. So,
yeah.
And if we go into the weighting structure here, so ABX and Newmont go back and forth as to what one is the larger weighting structure.
Okay.
Barrick today has already done 7 million shares. You're going after 26 million. So that's more than likely you're going to get the volume on that, which is really cool because that would create an additional ABC up. It's already in an ABC up.
Sure. Now,
what's really cool is this. This is what we're making our way into. We're making our way into Election Day. The day after Election Day, November 9th.
Which is that, yeah.
And that's a big number because that's where the metal market got destroyed. If we go to Newmont, we take a look at Newmont. What you have with Newmont, Newmont needs a lot. This is interesting. So Newmont needs a lot more strength. Newmont,
yeah, no, for sure.
High of last week was 37. Right now you're only 35.
$2 off it.
Right. Now if we go over to the Dust, so the Nugget is the 3 times bull position. The Dust is the 3 times bear position. What you're going to see with the Dust is that you broke under a swing low of 33.50. It says 12 million, we've already done 3.9.
Yeah.
That's saying, by the way, that's giving you more indication that the gold market does want to continue higher, and dust is going to continue lower. You know, it's rejected lower price here at the 32.26, but that volume characteristic is big, man.
Sure.
Way too big.
Sure.
So check it out on the front page of TFNN, folks. You want to really get to understand these things, you know.
Just go over there, sign up right now. That way, you know, you'll get access to it, and that way you don't even need to remember, and we'll email you out access, and you just log into your members page, and you'll be attending that workshop.